Hey guys, so could you believe it's been over a year since I unboxed the Craftsman WS4200 30cc 4-stroke trimmer. March 29th, 2021 to be exact, was the day I did that unboxing. It's been over a year, and I will be the first to admit that I don't have a lot of time on the trimmer because I have a lot of trimmers and I use my Husqvarna ones more. But I've run a few tanks of gas through this over the year, and I just got to tell you, for what I paid and what I got, I couldn't be more pleased. This day in particular, I decided to take it down and run it really good. I think I ran it for 2 or 3 hours. I ran it pretty hard this day, and I just thought I'd come on here and chat about it a little bit and just kind of show you guys how it runs. Most of the weeds I cut were not very big, but some of them were. Nonetheless, I had a great time. Tried to get as many different camera angles as I could, but I was mostly focused on just cutting these weeds down and running the hell out of the trimmer. I tried here for a little bit to hold the GoPro in my left hand while I was running the trimmer, just to try to get some fairly reasonable close-up shots, since we just did that really far away shot. It didn't work out too great. I realized that holding a GoPro and trying to work at the same time, not the easiest or the most funnest thing, but nonetheless, I tried it for a little while just to give you guys a different view. So anyway, like I said, I couldn't be more pleased with this Craftsman 4-stroke trimmer. I think I'm going to try to use it more often. If I had one complaint, it's that it doesn't have a choke. I don't really like that, and it weighs a little bit. So anyway guys, thanks for watching.